Hey, I'm Elvi, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve this, the Maple Leaf Skewb. But first, let's change our point of view and see what we're getting ourselves into. The cube we are solving today is the Maple Leaf Skewb, which, as it says in the name, is a skewb, but on the inside, it's a clover cube. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. That's so cool. That's super cool, yo. Ooh, nice. Okay, so that's how you scramble it as well. Speaking of scrambling, let's scramble. So, I would say that's good enough scramble. So, the first step of this is to solve these edge clover pieces things to the correct center. Because in the back of here, there's a colored center. Oh, you see that? Oh, nice. Okay, so let's start with yellow. Because yellow is a nice color. So I'm going to take this, position it here, so I can just do that. And get it into the yellow. Like so. Let's do that to the rest of the yellow edge things. Here we have one. Nice. And the last one is here. It can't go into the correct position because it's not in the same rotation as this one. So, to make it into the correct rotation, I'm gonna take this, just switch it with another different one, not specified which one it is, and then it's in the correct rotation. So let's just rotate it around until there it is, because it's only 2 rotations for these edge pieces. Nice. So we don't care about the clovers, only the edge clovers right now. So I'm doing it for yellow. Let's do it to the rest of the colors as well. So let's do this to green now, because green is good for me. I'm gonna take the green. It's only positive if you get the corner clovers as well, but it doesn't matter right now. I'm just gonna do green. Where's the last green? Here's the last green. It's in the correct thing. If it's on the opposite side of where you want, an easy way to move it to the correct side is to have it here. Do this 2 times and this 2 times. Yeah, just a fun fact. Okay, I can do blue because that's also a very nice color. Let me find blue. Center is here. Okay, nice. There we go. Into the blue. And I see another blue here. I can get that into there by doing this. There we go. And the next blue is here. Yeah, it's also in the correct rotation. Nice. There we go, that's blue. I can do red and orange almost at the same time, because I'm good like that. So I'm focusing on red right now, and red, and the last red going in. Then it's orange and white left. This is in the correct rotation. Nice. So is this. Nice. If it wasn't in the same rotation, you could just do as we did in the beginning here, where you switch it out with a random one, like this. Change this into here, and then the random one you have back, switch these back. That totally makes sense. You're welcome. So the next step is to solve these clover pieces right here. So to do that, we need to learn an algorithm. By now, you should know to like algorithms. You should have learned that by now. If you have watched my videos, which you should have as well. Okay, so this algorithm this algorithm swaps 3 clover pieces. So for example, this, and this, or if you want to do it mirrored, is this, and this piece. Yeah! So, there are 4 possible ways to do this algorithm for 4 possible things you want to do with it. You can do it on the left here, where these 3 pieces are affected. So you rotate this one here, this goes here, this goes here, which is clockwise. Or you can do it counterclockwise, I mean, where they go the other way. Same on this side. This here, and counterclockwise and clockwise. So let's start with the Algs on the left here. To get this clockwise, we do the left move first. So we hold it like this. This is L on this part, and this is R. Alright? So L, and then this is just called U. So L, the algorithm. So the algorithm is L, U, L prime, R. This is still U. So U, R prime, L, U, L prime, R, U, R prime. So that moved these 3 pieces clockwise. To do them anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, whatever it's called, just do the algorithm reverse. So this reverse would be R, U, R prime, L, U, L prime, R, U, R prime, L, U, L prime. Yeah. Okay. To have it go counterclockwise, you start with the R. So that would be R, U. Nope. It would be R prime, U, R, L prime, U, L, R prime, U, R, L prime, U, L. That's counterclockwise, and then correctly clockwise would be L prime, U, L, R prime, U, R, L prime, U, L, R prime, U, R. Okay, so now that we have that, you can kind of figure out how to do this yourself, but I'm just gonna do it on camera, cause why not? So I'm just gonna pick a side I want to solve. Since it's a tutorial and I'm gonna be generic, I'm gonna set up to white. So you want to set up these 2 first, and then you want to set up these at the back for which one you want as well. So I can put blue in here and white in here at the same time. So I'm gonna do that, and that's counterclockwise, which means I start here. R, U, R prime, L, U, L prime, R, U, R prime, L, U, L prime. And that is all these 2 pieces. Nice. So that's what we're gonna keep on doing to solve all the clovers until the last 2, 3, or 4 clover pieces. So probably time-lapse or something, I don't know. What I can do here is set up these to go with white. So I'm gonna switch this white 180 degrees this side with just the normal Skewb parity, which is Sledge, Y2, double Sledge, Y2, Sledge, which rotates this one and this one 180 degrees. So I'm gonna put this into here. Just counterclockwise. Nice. And can I do the same with this? I can. Okay, so I'm gonna rotate these two 180 degrees. Sledge, Y2, double Sledge, Y2, Sledge. This is Skewb parity, by the way, if you don't know that. And where are my pieces? Here they are. That's counterclockwise again. So I start with the most front piece. Ooh. White solved and red very close to solved, actually. So I'm just gonna time lapse the rest of this, because it's basically the same thing that you have to do until the last few clovers. So just be creative and do the stuff that you gotta do. Okay, so now we have 3 clovers left, and that's where it might get difficult to set them up properly. So what we can do with that is to swap 2 similar colors with each other, because this means that one of these clovers is in the wrong rotation cycle thing, yeah. So what I would do here is to put orange into its correct place, put this green to here, and put another green up here, just so I have only 2 clovers. So I'm gonna do that with this algorithm. Okay, this is counterclockwise. There we go. Now we only have 2, which is better, because then we can create more options for ourselves. Yeah, so here, I know I can put this piece here to make it correct. So what I want to do is to do a cycle between these 3 pieces, so we only have 3 pieces in total. That's counterclockwise. My white side is a bit stiff, but it still works. Okay, so there we go. So now I can swap this center 180 degrees with Skewb parity algorithm, which is Sledge, Y2, double Sledge, Y2, Sledge. Nice. And then I have these 3 set up. And it's just to do these 3. Which is clockwise now. There we go, nice. So that's done, the clovers are done. Now it's just a normal Skewb, so we solve it like a normal Skewb. I don't know if I use any method for this or not. I just solve it, I guess. Like a Skewb. Solve it like you normally solve a Skewb. And there we go, solved. Nice. So my best time on this is 12 minutes and 36 seconds. I don't know if that's good or bad. Who knows? If you beat my time, post your time in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video if you liked the video. If you're new here, consider subscribing. It's even free. That's an insanely good price. Who even knows what I'll post next? And I do Twitch. I might be streaming right now. Twitch.tv/LB75. Thanks. Bye.